Hello friends, welcome to Sahat Soch. Enhanced immune system has now become an essential part of our healthy lifestyle because of corona outbreak. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting ingredient which is easily available in everybody's kitchen and it boosts our immune system a lot. That is jaggery, also known as good or gur. Jaggery is a type of unrefined sugar, also known as non-centrifugal sugar, which is made from sugar or palm juice. 70% of world's production is done in India. Jaggery is made by evaporating water from sugarcane juice or palm sap. It is sold in form of solid, or I can say blocks, liquid and granules. The color of jaggery varies from light golden to dark brown. Normally, I would say golden color of jaggery is more popular, but it is said that dark brown jaggery have more nutritional values. So that gets me to what is nutrition in jaggery. 100 grams of jaggery contains sucrose, fructose and glucose, protein, fat, iron, magnesium, potassium, manganese and calories. Let me say 100 grams of jaggery contains 383 calories. Friends, Sugavida type of jaggery, which is also known as palm jaggery, is a very good source of naturally available vitamin B. Friends, let me talk about health benefits of jaggery. It contains nutritious molasses. It also has quite high calories. But friends, the dose differentiates poison and a remedy. So, remember that jaggery ultimately is a type of sugar. So, it is always good to have it in moderation. Prevents constipation. Jaggery activates the digestive enzymes in the body, stimulates bowel movements and thus helps prevent and relieve constipation. Detoxes the liver. Jaggery is a natural body cleanser, further reducing the workload of the liver. Jaggery helps cleanse the liver by flushing out toxins from the body, which further helps to detoxify our liver. Treats flu-like symptoms. Jaggery fights cough and cold. All you need to do is to consume jaggery with warm water, or you can add it in tea instead of sugar. The most important health benefit of jaggery is that it boosts our immunity. Jaggery contains very important minerals like zinc and selenium. It helps to increase our immunity as well as it also helps to increase hemoglobin. So that brings me to the next health benefit of jaggery. Jaggery prevents anemia. As jaggery contains loads of iron, it prevents anemia. Good source of energy. Jaggery is a complex carbohydrate that gives energy to the body gradually and for a longer period of time. When combined with sesame seeds, it acts as an energy bar, instant energy bar, and it also tastes very delicious. Jaggery has loads of health benefits, but according to me, it has one negative health effect. Friends, it has to be consumed in moderation. Suggested dosage is around 20 grams per day for an adult. Remember, I would like to repeat this point that jaggery is ultimately a type of sugar. So, please be careful while you consume it. Friends, please like, share and subscribe Sahat Soch. I would like to leave you with some of the suggested mouth-watering, delicious jaggery recipes. Do try ginger and jaggery hot water. Even jaggery chapati is very delicious. Jaggery rice, loads of iron in it. Jaggery tea, again you can substitute sugar regularly. You can have jaggery tea, a 1 hot cup in morning will make your day. After knowing these delicious recipes, do try at home and Consume jaggery in moderation and boost your immune system. Please like, share and subscribe Sahat Soch.